I know about the salmon sickness that dogs can get from raw fish, but if it's cooked, thoroughly cooked, like salmon skin or something, is that okay?
It's a parasite that is actually doing it. It's not the salmon itself that they react to. It is a parasite that's normally on the skin itself. If you cook it thoroughly, then the parasite dies, and it's no longer an issue.
Okay.
It's actually a parasite of a parasite. It's a parasite that lives in a fluke that's in the mussels that causes the problem. And so it's called salmon poisoning disease. When we're trying to diagnose that, we do a fecal sample and we look for eggs of the fluke, because it turns out that the fluke's gestation cycle in the animal's body produces eggs at about the same rate that the little tiny parasite inside the fluke causes the sickness in the dog. So it's a parasite of a parasite that causes the problem.
What's the symptoms of that sickness?
Normally it's vomiting and diarrhea, and that's all we see. Sometimes you'll get really large lymph nodes and a history of exposure to raw fish, normally salmon, but there are other fish it can be, so any raw fish is a concern in this area, within the last 2 weeks.
Oh.
And it's treated with tetracyclines because that's what it takes to kill the parasite.